So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus. So I recently received this email from Whitehead Junior. Hi Jobonimus Enterprises, you have been identified as a recruiter for the manager sales B2C sales position. You can start working on this position. So in case you are not aware, I am a recruitment consultant for Whitehead Junior. So today I thought to post this video on YouTube that Whitehead has opened this position again, and those of you who are interested to apply should watch this video, because in this video I am going to cover the complete job description, the complete interview details, as well as who should apply for this role. So be there in the video till the end, because you are getting information from an absolute reliable source. So let's start today's video with the first thing, which is about this role. So you should be able to sell Whitehead Junior's product that their customers have grown to rely on. So in case you don't know, Whitehead Junior is into coding classes of kids. It is a bit similar to Byju's. In fact, Byju's is the parent company of Whitehead. Byju's has invested in Whitehead Junior. So they sell coding classes to children, like Byju's sell maths and science classes to children. So that is the only difference. So here the sales manager will utilize their skills to generate high quality lead, build a strong relationship with customers and close deals. Moreover, they should be able to counsel parents. So apart from the sales, they should also have the counseling ability also to counsel the parents. So this is the basic job description for this role. And regarding the interview rounds, so round one will be telephonic round, which will be about your introduction. It is a very simple round. If you have good communications, then you will be easily able to clear this round. Round 2 will be version test for 17 minutes if you are applying for night shift, or what they call as US shift. If you want to work in day shift for India, then there will be no version test, but for US shift there will be a version test. Nobody will tell you this much information what I am telling you today. So please do like this video. So round 3 will be the video round with sales manager, and round 4 again will be a video round with the sales head. So regarding the round 1 telephonic introduction, here they will ask you very basic questions like your self introduction. So you can cover your family background, education background, previous experience, extracurricular activities, and your interest and hobbies. Next, they can ask you why this role. So here you have to talk about strengths that you have related to this role, and give a real life example if you have. So you can talk about your good communication skills, interpersonal skills, persuasive skills, and negotiation skills. So these kind of skills will be useful for this role. Next, why you want to join White Hat. So you can say that it is a branded startup which is funded by Byju's, so it is bound to grow. It gives good salary. So just to tell you, the salary for this role starts from 3 lakhs and it goes up to 9 lakhs fixed, plus incentives are extra. So if you are a fresher, then salary starts from 3, and if you are experienced it can go up to 9 LPA. And then there will be good growth opportunities as it is still in its early stage. Next, they can ask you, are you planning for higher education? So if you are a graduate, they can ask you this thing, if you are planning to do a higher education or something like that. This question is asked in Byju's also. So here you if you will say that you are going for higher education, then of course it will be difficult for them to select you. So here you should say no, that you don't have any plans for higher education, and you can give a reason that you have already discovered that your field of interest is sales only, and you believe getting real life experience is more valuable than just getting a degree. That is why you want to start work and start earning. So this is the kind of answer you can give. Next will be the round 2, which is a video call, which will be to check your suitability for this role. So they will ask you questions like that only. So first they can ask you why you want sales after technical or finance field, if you are not directly from the sales kind of background. So if you are from core technical or finance field, they can ask you this question. So here whatever is the genuine reason you can give, but see, mostly the main reason is you are not comfortable in technical or your core finance field. That is why you want to shift to a sales field. So a simple answer you can give is, to be honest, after pursuing engineering or finance field, I realized that I am an average student. That is why I don't want to enter into a field where I don't feel that much comfortable, because in today's job market scenario, mediocrity leaves you nowhere. On the other hand, during these college years, I discovered certain hidden qualities in me that are quite suitable for sales field, like communication and negotiation skills, which I demonstrated while organizing college fest, as I got to interact and persuade many people to make it a success. That is why I believe working in sales profile will be more beneficial for my career growth in the long run. So this kind of answer you can give. Next, what do you expect your typical work day to be like? So they would like to know whether you have understood what this job is about. So here you can say, I expect to be busy and have my hands full most of the day. I will be given leads whom I will have to call and convince to buy a White Hat Junior coding course for their children. Sometimes I may have to search for these leads by myself. So leads are nothing but the customers that you will have to target. Next, they can ask you difference between B2B and B2C sales, because this role is about B2C sales and many people who have done B2B sales also apply for it, although they are eligible, but they should at least be knowing what is the main difference. So B2B here is business to business and B2C is business to customer or business to consumer. In B2B, company sells its own product or service directly to the other company. In B2C, company sells its product or service to individual customers. So in B2B sales, another difference is they have loyal customers in form of companies, but they are limited in number because they are the main companies. Whereas in B2 sale, see, there are many buyers but less loyal or repetitive, because individual customers don't return back that often, but they are huge in number. So that is the difference. Next, they can ask you to talk about your previous experience. So here you have to talk about your previous experience and you have to relate this experience with this role. Otherwise, it will not be a valid answer. Next, why you want to leave your previous organization. So here you have to tell the genuine reason, whatever you have. Next, they can ask you, why should we hire you? So for sales manager role, I have already made this video. A sample answer has been given on why should we hire you. So you should definitely check out that video if you are interested. Next, round three, which will be the sales head, which is a sales pitch kind of round. Here you will be given a scenario. They can also give you scenario one day back. They will give you full one day to prepare. And based on that scenario, you will have to prepare a sales pitch and deliver it in front of the sales head. It will be through a video call only, but you will have to deliver it. So what kind of scenarios they can give you, I'll tell you. There are 3 to 4 kind of scenarios that they can give you. So first scenario is, sell white hat coding product to a parent who feels coding is not useful to his or her child. So that you have to prepare. Next, sell white hat coding course to a parent who feels coding class will put extra pressure on his child. This kind of scenario can be given. Scenario 3, sell white hat coding course to a parent who himself is a software engineer. So one who knows coding himself, how will you sell this product to them for their children? So this is scenario 3, and scenario 4, sell white hat coding course to a parent who thinks it is extremely costly to afford. So these can be the 4 scenarios they can give you, and you have to prepare your sales pitch accordingly. Next comes the most important question, who should apply and how you should apply. So any graduate or postgraduate is eligible to apply, and they should have at least 55% marks. So these are the new conditions that have been added. And earlier, see, they used to allow people who were 12th pass also if they have 2 years of experience in sales kind of role, but from now on that is not allowed. Only graduates and postgraduates are eligible to apply. They should have good communication, negotiation skills, and their age also should not be more than 35 years, and their experience should also be less than 10 years. So these are some of the new conditions which they have incorporated. And one more thing I want to tell you, although many YouTube channels will tell you that as a fresher you can apply to this role, but having been worked with White Hat Junior as a recruitment consultant, if you apply there for a fresher, it will be almost impossible for you to get shortlisted for this role. So I'm telling it to you very genuinely. You should have at least 1 year experience in any kind of sales, then you can apply for this role. So if you are a fresher and want to work in this company, so first you will have to join some other company in any kind of sales role, work there for at least 1 year, then apply for Whitehair Junior. Then you will have chance to get selected there. Otherwise, not. So this is the main thing. And how you should apply. See, Whitehead Junior either calls you directly or through a consultant. So I am a consultant for them. So you can send your resume to my email ID jobonimus.com@gmail.com, and in that mention your current and expected CTC along with notice period. Your notice period should not be more than 30 days, uh, and also mention your current city. Moreover, see, it will be a work from home opportunity currently, but once the office reopens, you should be willing to relocate to Mumbai because currently they have office in Mumbai only. But they are looking to expand. They can have offices in multiple locations in future, but currently this is the scenario. But I don't know for how much time you may have to do work from home. Some of my candidates who got selected last October in Whitehead Junior are still doing work from home because offices are still not open. So I don't know how much time will it take. So this was about this video. So I hope this would have been useful to you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more such openings which you will not find anywhere. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.